Morning reception. In maths today we're going to carry on learning about words that help us describe the position of things. So we're going to play a little game called Where is the Worm? And that will help us learn some new vocabulary and revise some of our old vocabulary. And then I'm going to show you what your task is at the end. Okay, so here we go. Where is worm? Where is worm? Have a look. Is he next to the plant pot? Is he inside the plant pot? Is he under the plant pot? Worm is on the flower pot. Well done if you got that right. Where is worm? Try and remember any of the vocabulary that we've already used to describe where worm is. Is he next to the plant pot? Is he on the plant pot? Let's have a look. Worm is under the flower pot. Well done if you got that right. So the word that we're thinking about there is under. Where is worm? Can you think where he is? Can you remember some of the vocabulary that we've used to describe where worm might be? Worm is beside the flower pot. Is there another word that we could use that means the same as beside? Have a think. That's right, we could use the word next to also. That means the same thing, beside and next to. Where is worm? I can see a little snail there. They must be friends. So where is worm in comparison to the snail? Is he on the snail? Is he under the snail? Worm is with snail. We're using the word with. You could say he's next to snail. We could also say he is beside snail. Where is worm? Is he under the plant pot? Is he on the plant pot? Is he in the middle of the plant pot? Worm is in the flower pot, or you might want to say inside the flower pot. Where is worm? So there we've got the pot, and we've got a ball. How would you describe where worm is there? Is he in front of the pot? Is he behind the ball? What words could you think of to describe where he is? Worm is between the flower pot and the ball. So we're using the word between. Or you might say in between. Or you might even use the words in the middle. They all mean the same thing. Where is worm? Can you think of a word to describe where worm is here? Worm is in front of the flower pot. Well done if you got that one right. Last one. Where is worm? Can you think of a word to describe where he is? Worm is behind the flower pot. Well done if you got that one right. So the word that we were looking at there is behind. Now, your task for today is to have a little go at playing this game. Now you might need a dice, so I've got one here, can you see? And I've also got some little figures. Now you can use anything that you like inside that you've got at your house. So you could use any figures or anything to help you with this. So you're going to roll your dice. I've landed on, see that? number 5. So I'm going to, from the start here, I'm going to jump forwards 5. So it's really important that we use the terminology forwards. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, now I've landed here and it says go back 2 spaces. My goodness. So now I've got to go backwards 2 spaces. So we've learnt the words forwards because we had to move forwards. And now it says I've got to move backwards. Let's have a go. 1, 2. Okay. Now that I've landed on that square, here it's got the word under. So what I'd like you to do with your figures, take your figure, find something to put your figure under. Take a picture. So I've got a table here. Put your figure underneath something. It could be underneath anything that you like. Okay? So my figure is under the table. Take a picture and show it to us. Roll your dice again. This time I've landed on number 3. So I'm going to move forwards 3. I'll show you with a different colour now. So I'm starting here. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Here I've landed on the one that says in front of. So I'm going to use my figure again. This time I'm going to get my little mini table, but you could use anything. You could use whatever you've got, a car or something like that. And because it says in front of, I'm going to put my figure in front of the table. Can you see that? In front of the table. So take a picture of your figure in front of the table. Let's have one more go. And I've landed on number 6. Can you see that? Number 6. So I'm going to do 6 jumps forward. We use a different colour so that you can see. So I was on the tree. Ready? I'm going to do 6 jumps from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what have I landed on now? Oh, okay, it says next to. So I'm going to get my figure and I'm going to put it next to the table. Okay, next to the table. And take a picture and show me what you've done. Okay, let's have one more try. I've landed on number 1. So I'm going to jump forward 1 space. I'll show you where I land. I'll jump in green this time. Green. Oh, 1. What have I got to do this time? It says on. So I'm going to get my figure and put it on the table. Take a picture and show me. So I don't mind what figures you use or what equipment you've got at home, but find something that you've got that you can put in different positions. Roll a dice, or you can use an online dice, or you can just pick some numbers at random, move along the board and see if you can follow some of the different positions that it says on that path. And remember, you've got to move forwards, and if it tells you to go backwards, make sure that you go the right way along that path. Okay, everybody, have a lovely day and I can't wait to see your work. Bye.